Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to resize an image without losing its quality in Photoshop. So let's see. First, I will open up the images I have already stored. So let me select one. So now to bring it on that background, I will drag and drop it here. So the parts now come here. Now the shortcut is select Control T. Now you can see you have selected it. Now drag to whatever size you want. But as you might have noticed, the image is a little blurred, which you do not want. So let's wait. Now press enter and you can see it has regained its quality and also the size has changed. Let me show you another thing, the same, so that you might verify it. Now again Ctrl O to open a new image. Now you can see this image is very small, so we will do the same process with it. Drag and drop. Okay, you can see it's very small. Now the shortcut is press Ctrl T. Here you drag and drop to whatever size you want, and now press enter. You can see it has regained its size and its quality. Thank you for watching guys. Let me know in the comments below what else you want to know, and I will make another video. Thank you.